Hey, here. Welcome to another tutorial of Proflan YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to have a discussion on the question that you really need to know how to work out as far as paper 1, Pure Math 1 for CIE, Cambridge is concerned. So for those who are going to sit for the February-March exam of 2025, make sure you've known how to work out these questions, because this is a prediction that I've prepared based on the mostly tested concepts. So earning a total of how many marks? A total of 75 marks in that case. Check also the instruction provided. So the first prediction question that I've really seen that is very likely to be tested is a question to do with binomial expansion. Under binomial expansion, of course, you'll be maybe asked to expand up to a given number of terms. You can be told expand the first 3 terms of a binomial expansion, or you can be also required to state the coefficient of given terms. So as much as you are preparing for that paper, ensure that binomial expansion you know how to answer those questions. The next question you'll also be likely to be tested is a question on sequences, and types of sequences that you can be tested is geometric sequence and arithmetic sequences, whereby you'll be expected maybe to work out the number of terms, the sum of a given number of terms. You'll be expected maybe to find a given n-term, and also you must know how to work out sum to infinity. You need to know how to work out sum to infinity. There's a likelihood of you being tested on integration. Also, integration, remember, you are trying to find the equation of a curve. For instance, here you have a second order derivative. When you integrate this, you get dy dx, and when you integrate dy dx, you can be able to get the function itself. So you can see here for the information provided, you can be expected to find the equation of the curve. And something that also you need to remember, under integration, you can also be asked on how to find the area under the curve. If you are asked about the stationary point, remember that stationary point is a point where dy dx is equals to 0, and to determine the nature of the stationary point, you need to find the second derivative. Second derivative now means if you get d squared y dx squared, which is greater than 0, that means that's a minimum point. If d squared y dx squared is less than 0, that becomes the maximum point. So those are the kind of areas you'll be asked. You can be asked also to find the equation of a tangent or equation of the normal at the point where it crosses the y-axis or it crosses the x-axis. So depending the way the questions can be structured, make sure you've really prepared on the same. You've prepared on how to work out such kind of questions. For those who are going to sit for this exam, I really wish you the best of luck. And if you are new to Proflan YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that when I'm going to upload the walkthrough of this particular paper I'm sharing here, you'll be notified. You can also check the download for this particular paper in the description so that you can download it. You get to attempt on how to answer questions. Another question that I feel that is likely to be tested is a question on functions, whereby you can be told to find the expression for the inverse function, how to find the domain and the range of a function. So those are areas that you need to look at under functions, and also you need to know how to find composite function when you are given different values. Right, so you need also to be in a position of working out question to do with trigonometry. You need to be in a position of doing question with trigonometry, so that you can be able to find maybe the unknown terms like this, and of which you need to understand that you need to draw a midline like that, so that you can be able to say the, no, you are making noise now. Just leave, let me just finish this, then we shall continue talking, right? Yeah, let me finish this. Okay, yeah, the gentleman that is disturbing here a little bit. So we are talking of the values. So you can see this value here represent the amplitude, and this one here, it indicates the number of complete cycles. Let me, don't touch that microphone. Rose, Rose, Rose. The B is used to indicate the number of complete cycles within 360 degrees. So if you want to find the amplitude, A is going to be the height for that particular case. Stop it. To understand how to work out question to do with equation of a circle. Equation of a circle is also another area that is likely to be tested in that case. So ensure you know how to find point of intersection, equation, the center of equation of a circle, the center of the circle, the radius, when you are given in this particular format, and also converting to this format. Of course, this is actually expanding, and also when you are given this kind of form, to express in this format, you need to use completing square method. So you need also to find the point of intersection between a circle and a line. Of course, you need to have an idea on how to work out such kind of question. Don't forget to revise and go through circular measure, another area that is quite important. And remember that arc length is r theta, and area of a vector is a half r squared theta. So these are the formulas which will be quite important for this case, because you need the arc length in order to find the perimeter of the shape. You need also this formula in order to find the area of the entire section of this kind of shape that was provided. We need to go down and check the area, and you need to know how to work out question with a discriminant and coordinate geometry. These are possibly questions that will be tested. Another topic that will really surface and will be able to tested is proof of trigonometric identities, and also how to solve trigonometric equations like this. Don't forget about differentiation. Under differentiation, you can be told to find whether the function is decreasing or the function is increasing. You need to know how to find equation of the normal, equation of a tangent, and also area under a graph by the use of integration. Is an area that you are likely to be tested. Don't forget to find to go through volume of revolution around about the x-axis, about through 360 degrees. Are the topics that I feel as you are preparing for your exam that is upcoming, make sure you know how to work out question to do with the topics I've highlighted. And if you're new to ProfLearn YouTube channel, consider subscribing, so that in time I'm going to upload this video regarding this paper, you'll be notified. See you in the next video. All the best and good luck in your coming exam.